Hi, I'm Stuart from Skyline Real Estate. Welcome to my latest market wrap. Well, we're certainly in a much different market than we were 3 months, 6 months ago, and it's changing quite quickly. But I will say, over 36 years in the industry, a change like this is certainly not a shock, and sometimes it does happen to correct what's been going on. I do think that the banks are saying the interest rates will cap out at about 4.5% to 5%. I think we'll then get into a bit more normal market. The interesting part of this slowdown is that it's more driven by the high cost of like building and inflation, but unemployment is still very low, whereas the last downturn, unemployment was high and job security was very low. So while there are different factors affecting it, it's still having the same effect on the market. I do think at the moment it's more a case of buyers being cautious and sellers not sure what to do. For buyers, they're still coming out in numbers and we're still seeing reasonable buyer activity, but we are finding that unless a property is priced pretty well, or certainly seems value, or unless a buyer absolutely loves a house, they're buying it. But if it doesn't fit into those criteria, if it's a little bit overpriced or it's just not quite right for a lot of buyers, well, then they're just passing and not making an offer. So it is an interesting time, but I do think while there's another interest rate rise coming and they're saying it's a fairly big one, I do think we will start to see a little bit more normal market as we start to hit the top of that rate rises. So certainly at the moment, it's a very good time to be upgrading and even just moving around. There's some good deals there. Some people are really keen to sell, and so they're looking at motivation. To move it can be a big factor in a sale. So they're certainly worthwhile looking to see if you're going to upgrade or just downsize or move around. But if you want an updated appraisal, we're certainly looking for more homes to sell because we do have buyers ready to go. So please give us a call, Stuart 0416 207 215, or the office 9452 3444. Thank you.